Hi, Rachel Howfield-Massey here from Other Ways to Walk. I've been hearing and seeing a lot in the news about the looming mental health crisis, which in itself almost makes you feel like you're about to have one because you keep being told that you are. So I don't know, I was sitting in the woods thinking about that and just thinking about what messages we can get from nature that might help us at this time. And the thing I'm really aware of today, the woods are really full of a lot of big groups of people. You can see I'm kind of practically inside a holly bush to try and get a quiet spot to talk to you. But actually the woods themselves, they're not just still. It feels like all the vegetation is just, can't find the words, it's just being how it is. There's no sense of waiting for winter to pass or change or needing. There's just it just is, isness. And it just makes me think about how we can often spend time feeling like things are stuck, things will never change, I'll never get better, this will never be different, I don't want this, I want something else. And that actually I can feel myself sort of taking in this message of completeness with doing nothing. So you can hear there's not a bird sound, there's not a squirrel rustle. The holly leaves are not moving an inch, just be here. It's really comforting. So maybe something for you to notice and see if you can find any sense of that inside yourself by tuning into the sense of it in the life around you. Okay, that's all from me now, and all the best for 2021. I'll see you there.